Hello everyone, a warm welcome to you all for the first video lecture on the subject of marketing for semester 5 for academic year 2021-22. Today's lecture is all about the summary of the topics which we have already completed during our live lectures. So first we'll start with syllabus of marketing. Now you have 4 modules in semester 5. Introduction to marketing, marketing decisions part 1, marketing decisions part 2. Now marketing decisions part 1 and part 2 we have already discussed during the lectures. It is based on marketing mix. What exactly is marketing mix? Marketing mix is a coordination of 4 P's: product, price, promotion and place. And in marketing decisions part 1 we are going to have product and price, while in marketing decisions part 2 we are going to have remaining 2 P's, which is promotion and place. In fourth module you have it is marketing dimensions. These are the 4 modules you are going to have in semester 5. Now we'll start with our first module, introduction to marketing. Now in this introduction to marketing you have 4 subtopics, which is marketing, marketing research, MIS, that is marketing information system, and market segmentation. So these are the 4 subtopics you are going to have in your first module. So we'll start with our first topic, today's topic, which is evolution of marketing concepts. Now before moving to evolution of marketing concepts, we will have a review on what exactly market is and what exactly marketing is. Market and marketing are 2 different terms. So what is market and what is marketing? Now first we'll have what market is. Market is a place where buyers and sellers meet to exchange goods and services. Market is a physical place. So it is a place where commodities are bought and sold either at retail price or at wholesale price. Now there is a transition in the concept of market, and as we see the development in the concept of marketing, same way there is a change in the concept of market also. With the advent of information technology, market meaning is changed. Now market may be virtual. Now it refers to arrangement in which buyers and sellers need not meet personally at a particular place, but they contact each other with modes of communication like telephone, telex, to exchange goods and services. So this is transition in the concept of marketing. Now what is marketing and what is the transition in marketing concept? Now marketing, if we consider, marketing have different meaning for different people. Some people say shopping is marketing, some people say advertising is marketing, and some say marketing is a process. This is because there is a gradual change in the concept of marketing over a period of time. Now period of time is divided into 2 different parts, that is pre-industrial revolution and post-industrial revolution. Now the approach of marketing changed from pre-industrial revolution to post-industrial revolution. Earlier it was like earlier producers think consumers are something in which the main aim of marketer is to earn profit, and then it changed from only motive of profit earning to change with a balance between profit earning and customer satisfaction. In that, marketer feels consumers are everything, and then again it's changed from consumers are everything to consumers and society are everything. Now in this concept, consumers and society are everything, there is a change from a balance between 2 things, that is customer satisfaction and profits. Now there is an balance between 3 elements: profits, customer satisfaction and societal interest. These 3 elements are very important if you want to survive in the market. So this is the change in the minds of the marketers. Earlier, marketer feels consumers are something, and then it changed to consumers are really everything, and then it changed to consumer and society are everything. Likewise, earlier it was the only aim of marketer is to earn profits. Then there is then balance between profits and customer satisfaction, and now finally a balance between profits, customer satisfaction, and societal interest. So, marketing is a very important functional area of a business organization. Marketing involves number of functions for successful designing and distributing of goods and services to the customers. So, marketing refers to all the activities a company do to promote and sell goods and services to the customers. Now, what exactly is all the activities? In short, it is whatever services marketers provide to the customers to satisfy the customers, all that service includes in marketing. Now, like marketers give a good design to the product so as to satisfy the customers. Marketers fix a reasonable price for the product so as to satisfy the customers. Marketer goes for advertising to create awareness. So all these services includes in marketing. Whatever service marketer provides to the customers to satisfy them, that includes in marketing. Marketing concept is consumer oriented concept in which customers are very important. कस्टमर्स को जो भी सर्विसेज दी जाती है, all that services includes in marketing. Now if I talk about services, marketing starts before making the product and it continues even after selling the product. That means marketers प्रोडक्ट बनाने से पहले ही कस्टमर्स को सर्विसेज देना चालू कर देते हैं. इवन प्रोडक्ट सेल होने के बाद तक उनकी सर्विसेज कंटिन्यू रहती हैं. नाउ प्रोडक्ट बनाने से पहले हम कौन सी सर्विसेज अपने कस्टमर्स को देते हैं? मार्केटर्स गो फॉर मार्केटिंग रिसर्च. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज मार्केटिंग रिसर्च? Marketing research means knowing likes and dislikes of customers. Before making the product, marketers go for consumer research. They know the likes and dislikes of the customers and they make the product which matches with the expectations of customers. जो customers की expectations को match करे, जो कस्टमर्स को सेटिस्फाई करे, तो दैट इज बिफोर मेकिंग द प्रोडक्ट. इवन प्रोडक्ट डेवलप होने से पहले हम लोग ने कस्टमर्स के बारे में सोचना चालू कर दिया. प्रोडक्ट बनाने से पहले हम लोग ने उनके लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स को जानने का कोशिश किया, सो दैट व्हेन वी मेक द प्रोडक्ट वी कैन सेटिस्फाई द कस्टमर्स, वी कैन फुलफिल द एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ द कस्टमर्स. नाउ व्हाट इज आफ्टर सेलिंग द प्रोडक्ट? कस्टमर आपसे प्रोडक्ट लेके गया, कस्टमर को हम लोग आफ्टर सेल सर्विस देते हैं विच इज़ वारंटी, गारंटी. दैट मीन्स हमारा प्रोडक्ट सेल होने के बाद भी हमारी सर्विसेज कंटिन्यू है. हम अपने कस्टमर्स को सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ आफ्टर सेल सर्विस. हम लोग ने उनको वारंटी दिया, उनको गारंटी दिया. ऑल दीज सर्विसेज इज टू सेटिस्फाई द कस्टमर्स. सो दैट इज वॉट एवर सर्विसेज वी प्रोवाइड टू द कस्टमर्स, विच मे बी मार्केटिंग रिसर्च, which may be product design, which may be pricing, which may be advertising, publicity. All these services includes in marketing. हर एक सर्विस मार्केटिंग में आ जाती है. कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए वॉट एवर मार्केटर्स प्रोवाइड टू द कस्टमर्स, ईच एंड एवरी सर्विस इज कंसिडर्ड एज एन मार्केटिंग. So all those activities are considered as an marketing. So in short, marketing makes use of marketing mix to satisfy the customers. Marketing mix is coordination of four key variables. Four key variables means 4 P's, which is product, price, place and promotion. Marketers make use of 4 P's to satisfy the customers. Product, design, product का shape, product का color, product का packaging. Then price. Price should be a reasonable one, which should not be too high, should not be too low. Then place, which is customers should get the product at the convenient place. And then promotion, to create awareness, marketers go for advertising and publicity. So all these 4 P's to satisfy the customers, which is considered as a marketing mix. Now moving to the definition of marketing. Marketing is a management process of identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer requirements profitably. Now 3 things: identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer requirements. First, we need to identify the customer wants, that is likes and dislikes of customers. With the help of marketing research, we go for identifying customer wants, which means we go for knowing likes and dislikes of customers. And then we need to anticipate the customer requirements. Anticipate yani preparing for fulfilling the customer requirements. Like we make a product, we go for a good design, we go for a good packaging, we fix a reasonable price. That is preparing to fulfill the requirements of customer. And then satisfying the customers. Satisfying the customers yani providing good offers to the customers, going for good, giving good offers to the customers, going for after sale service, and then maintaining relationship with customers. All this is satisfying customers. So 3 elements: identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer requirements profitably. That means at the same time we have to earn profit also. We cannot go for only customer satisfaction. We want to go for customer satisfaction and profits. That is, both the things are very important. We have to satisfy the customers also, and we have to earn the profits also. So that is the definition of marketing. Marketing is a management process of identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer requirements profitably. So this is all about the definition of marketing. Now in our next video lecture, we'll have a review on the evolution of marketing concepts. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.